Hello children, welcome to back my channel. Today now teach 3rd standard English Balbharti lesson number 1, a pretty game. A pretty game. The sun and rain in a fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn world tried to chase the other from his hiding place. Alas, they meet to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Explanations in this poem. The poet says that the sun and rain are playing hide and seek in the sky. The weather is changing quickly. The sun and the rain in turn try to chase each other out from the hidden place. Finally, they meet to say goodbye. At this moment, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky, spreading from one end of the sky to the others. Fickle means something that changes quickly. Chase means run after somebody, something to catch that person thing. Next, expanded means spread from one end to the another. Next parts, answer the following question. First one question, what were the sun and the rain doing? Answers, the sun and the rain were playing hide and seek. Next one question, what did they say when they meet each other? Answers, they said goodbye when they meet each other. Next one, third one question, what happened when the sun and the rain said goodbye? Answers, a rainbow appeared in the sun. Next one question, write the other words related. Weather, rain, sky, rainbow. I hope you are understand question and answer and poem also understand. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today now teach English text 2nd standard lesson number 2.4 story time. Lesson number 2.4 story time. Unity is strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times and avoid the fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them, break the bundle into the two. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He looked the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that sticks is the bundle remained unbroken. He used the more force, tried again and again, but bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. His brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked to bundle. Now the sticks were separate. He gave each other single stick and asked them break it. Each of sons took a stick in hand. In no time the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are untied, help each other and live in friendship. You will be strangers than any enemy. But if you are dividing among the yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, untied we stand, divide we fall, said the old man, giving his sons meaningful look. This time the brother learned the lessons. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as team, and that really helped them. I hope you are understand lesson today. Now discuss question answer. First one question, why was old man worried? The old man worried because his son used to quarrel with each other and the word never agree at any point. Next one questions, what happened when the son tried to break the bundle of sticks? The sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. Third one question, what happened with the single stick? The single stick were bent and broken into him. Next, fourth one, what lesson did the son learn? The son learned that restraint lesson began together. Next one, arrange the following words proper order, make meaningful sentence. I hope you are understand lesson and understand question answer. आपको ये लेसन अच्छी तरीके से सुनना है और अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर जो मैंने इसमें दी है उसको आप सॉल्व आउट करना है. I hope you are understand your question answers also understand and lessons I teaching you also understand. Solve the question answer and English notebook. Next lesson number 2.4 2.5 language study. A mango is yellow in color is yellow. It is a very sweet in taste. A rose is red. It is a very beautiful. These are four pencil. We use the sharp pencil to write. A dog is clever and loyal animals. Now you will understand poem. I hope you will understand full poem language study. First one question, fill in the blanks. This is a big ball, an apple red in color. He is an old man. There are 8 bananas. This is a green parrot. Solve question answer in English notebook. I hope you understand question answer also and lessons also. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबाइए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके और चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Hello children, today now teach English grammar second standard vowel and consonants. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. The other 21 letters of the alphabet are called consonants. There are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Question number 1. Write the vowels in the boxes to make 2 different words. Question number 2. Write correct consonants in the blanks, complete the words. And question number 3. Filling the blanks with the different consonants, make a rhyming words. I hope you are understand vowels and consonants lesson. You practice do it. Common nouns. We use the naming words for person, place, animals or things. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns can be common nouns or proper nouns. Common nouns are the common names for person, place, animals or things of the same kind. Here are examples of the same common noun: mother, playground, cat, box. Question number 1. Write this common noun in the proper groups given the below. You write the proper column: person column, persons right; place column, places right; animals and birds column, animals and birds right; and things column, things right. Question number 2. With the help of the picture, fill in the blanks with the correct common noun from the list given below. I hope you understand common nouns. फिर से जाते जाते वही बात, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबाएं ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. Hello children, today now teach second standard EVS subject, lesson number 1, body movements. Now I teach lessons. Our body help us to make many movements. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. Our mouth help us to talk and chew our food. Our neck help us to turn our head. We are able to work with our hands. Our fingers and thumb can bend. Our arms bend at the elbows and the wrist. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees and at the ankles. The toes of our feet can also bend. We walk, jump, run, dance, and do a number of the action movements with our body. I hope you are understand lesson and our explanations also, teachings and explanations doing. I hope you understand full lesson and explanations. Question answer. First one question. Answer the following question. Which body parts help us to write? Answers. Our hand help us to write. Next one question. Which body parts help us to walk? Legs help us to walk. Question number 2. Match the following. First one. Eyes help us to read. Next, neck help us to turn our head. Next, mouth help us to talk. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. फिर से जाते जाते वही बात कि वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबाइए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. Hello children, welcome to back my channel. Today now teach English medium second standard lesson number 2.3. Let us speak English Bal Bharti. Now see this picture. Look and picture and say 2-3 lines about him. Doctor, policeman, conductor, farmer, soldier and chief. A doctor works in a hospital or a clinic. People go to a doctor when they are sick. He gives them medicine and cures them. Next one, policeman. A policeman who means control the traffic. If anyone breaks the traffic rules, she makes them pay a fine. She also helps people to cross the road. Next one, conductor. A conductor gives us tickets in a bus. He rings a bell when the bus has to start or stop. He also helps people if they have any language with them. Next one, farmer. A farmer works in a field. He grows crops. He plugs and fills with the help of bullocks or a tractor. Next one, fifth one, soldier. A soldier defends the country during times of war. He also helps people when there are floods, earthquakes. Next one, a chief. A chief is a person who is in a charge in the kitchen in the hotels and restaurant. He cooks the various food items. He is always dresses in a white and wears a special cap while cooking. I hope you understand lesson. I explaining you understand. Let's see question and answer. Question number 2, name the following. Next, question number 3, work and workers match the following. Next, question number 4, join the words. And next, question number 5, collect the picture of people who do different kinds of work and paste them in your scrapbooks. Write a line about each. I hope you understand lesson. Question answers also understand. You do this question and answers again and read this lesson again and again. Practice do. आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबाइए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप. Hello children, welcome to back my channel. Today's I teach activity time lesson number 2.2. Second standard English Bal Bharti English medium. Number 2.2 एक्टिविटी टाइम. एक्टिविटी टाइम ये लेसन है. इसमें कुछ एनिमल्स, फ्लावर्स, वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स बताया हुआ है. लुक एंड से हम लोग जो फ्रूट्स एनिमल्स है उनके नाम पढ़ेंगे. मैंगो, रोज, लोटस, पोटैटो, ऑनियन, टमाटो, रैबिट, ग्रेप्स, जास्मिन, स्नेक, मारीगोल्ड, एलिफेंट, गवार, एप्पल, कुकुम्बर एंड टाइगर. नेक्स्ट कॉलम बी. कॉलम बी में वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड फ्लावर के कॉलम दिए हुए हैं. फ्रूट्स में मैंगो, ग्रेप्स, एप्पल यानी गवा. वेजिटेबल्स में पोटैटो, ओनियन, टमाटो एंड कुकुम्बर. एनिमल्स ग्रुप में रैबिट. एनिमल ग्रुप्स में देखो रैबिट, टाइगर एंड रैबिट, टाइगर, मंकी, फॉक्स, donkey, lion, etc. Now next question. Next, see this next question and write this answer. Who I am. Answer the following question. What is the color of potato? Brown. How does a mango taste? Sweet. Is the elephant a small animal or a big animal? Big animal. Is the tiger a wild animal or domestic animal? Wild animal. Which is the fruit that is in a bunch? Grapes. Where does your lotus grow? In water or in a mud? Water. I hope you are understand full lesson. Question answer also understand. You do again and again, practice doing. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Hello children, today now teach lesson number 1.9 reading skill. English Bal Bharti second standard lesson number 1.9 writing skill. Writing skill. There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. There are birds sitting on the. I hope you understand lesson. I teaching question and answers. First one question. Write a few sentences about the picture on page 16 of the textbooks. Next one. Complete the sentence given below using your own words. For example, he has a beautiful cycle. A beautiful cycle. Last one, rearrange the letters to form meaningful words from the lesson. Next lesson 2.1 Chameleons. Explanations of the poem. The poet Colin West writes about chameleons and their changing colors. He said that chameleons are not seen very often. They are sometimes red, sometimes orange, and sometimes green. They are one of the most unusual things that one can see in the nature. He ends by saying that their color change like and the traffic lights. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, they are green. They are one of the nature's strangest light. Their colors change like to traffic lights. I hope you understand poem explanations. Understand. Question and answer. First one questions. Read aloud the following words and their meanings. Next one, form the box below. Choose the rhyming words each of the given words. Next question, write any two words on your own ending in EST. Next question, using the letter of each of the following words, make four shorter words. Next one, copy the words given below correctly and neat the handwriting. Next one, coloring the font. आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.